Alright, let's move on to this third and final video to get you up and running with Enaria. So how are we going to do this? Through MetaTrader 5. What is MetaTrader 5? What you need to know is that it's the tool that will move your money, okay? It's for viewing real-time charts, trading directly from the MetaTrader 5 platform using automated trading, robots, or in this case, Enaria. It gives orders to your broker, VT Markets, to execute certain trades so you can make money, okay? So let's click here to download MT5, and it's better to do it from here so you won't have to search for the broker later, okay? We click download on Windows in this case. During the installation process, it's very simple. You'll need to connect to an existing trading account with VT Markets and enter the data you received by email from VT Markets, okay? The username, password, and you'll also select the server type. In this case, we used VT Markets Live 2. If it's 4 or 3, just select it from the drop-down and finish. Once you've done everything correctly, MetaTrader will open here. No need to do anything else. What do we need to do now? Connect the technology to MetaTrader 5. So let's go back to Enaria. In this case, what we need to do is go to this arrow button, which is for integration. You'll need to integrate Enaria into MetaTrader 5. We click on integration, okay? And here you'll see, as I mentioned before, what makes this really viable, right? We're actually surprised that they give you a free month, okay? 1 month free, a 30-day trial to use the technology and see performance in your account. And all profits during those 30 days are yours to keep. Then if you're happy, you'll pay for the membership, which we'll discuss in another video about the types of membership, but it's very, very affordable. In fact, most people working with Enaria have paid for their first 3-month membership with what they earned during this free month. So you basically won't need to spend your own money on memberships. I mean, it's crazy, right? So let's see here. You have a maximum of $3,000 and a minimum of $1,000 to use this free trial. Once you've chosen the amount, we'll click directly on Start Free Trial. Let's say we want to start with $1,000. We'll come here, the minimum balance is $1,000, maximum $3,000, and proceed with MetaTrader. Once we're on this screen, we'll fill in all this information, okay? In this case, your first name, last name, the email you registered with, and then the broker name, which will be VT Markets. For the broker server, you'll enter VT Markets Live 2 in our case, or 3, 4, or whichever one is yours. I recommend not clicking this yourself. Instead, copy it from the email you received from VT Markets and paste it directly here. VT Markets Live 2, exactly as it appears in the email. Here in Platform, we're going to select MetaTrader 5. Here you'll select the type of account you want to create. You can create a demo account directly, but obviously you'll be using up your trial, okay? Your free trial. So if you want to try the demo, you can use the demo to see how it works and then decide, or you can go with a real account. Here we'll go back to that VT Markets email from your provider and enter the account number we used before, the same one we put in MetaTrader 5, and the password, okay? The previous password. Once you have everything connected and have deposited money with your liquidity provider, whether it's the minimum of $1,000 or $2,000, $2,500, or maximum $3,000. Once you have the money in your VT Markets liquidity provider and have connected everything, you don't need to do anything else. Nothing more, just that. You don't need to trade. It doesn't matter if you know how or not. This will work for you automatically. You have a professional 24-hour trader with doctorate-level expertise, so to speak, because that's the caliber of this AI that's been rigorously trained for 2 years. Now it's delivering tremendous results with minimal drawdown. And most importantly, we see that by weekend's end, when markets close, you don't experience the wild volatility of other useless trading robots. We've tested all kinds of robots and technologies that weren't AI-based, and there's simply no comparison. This AI updates its fundamental analysis every 15 seconds, constantly analyzing market conditions and your available liquidity while providing exceptional risk management. It's completely different from any other technology. We are amazed. It's having incredible success in just a few months, and congratulations for being one of the first to join Enaria. So, for any questions you have during this process, you can contact us directly on our Telegram or WhatsApp, okay? You won't have any problems with that. I send you greetings and congratulations. If you want to share this with people you care about or those who could benefit, share these videos. Share your referral link available here in community. Share this link and you'll directly receive many benefits from their memberships, half of their membership fees, and also from the computing your colleagues, friends, and family do. You'll earn returns. We'll discuss that in other videos. If you have any questions about that, contact us and we'll explain it to you. Regards.